Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. This is Dejanay for anybody who does not know. In today's video, this is actually an old video. This video I recorded like a year ago, maybe even more than a year ago. But I like, as you can see in the background, I'm in my old bedroom in my parents' house, and I'm just showing you all how I applied this closure wig. I'm in the process of finally uploading all of the drafted video files that I have on my computer, because nobody's gonna know what you're capable of doing, the services that you can do, the talents that you have, if they literally sit on your computer all day. So I'm also encouraging you all to post those drafts, because they're just gonna sit there. So yeah, this is an old wig from my brand that I used to have, Top Tier Tags. I do still have this vendor if anybody is interested in buying this hair from me. I can still ship this hair out. Really nice quality wig. As you can see, it looks great. Blends very nicely, full, thick, nice luster. This is a loose wave texture, and I believe this is either 24 inches or 26 inches. My vendor does not cheat on the length, like true 24, 26, and the volume is always really good as well. This is 180 density. That's what I always get my wigs in whenever I do sell them, unless somebody wants something that is thicker. So this will be a quick video because I don't really have a lot of footage of me styling this, but I just want to post it because, like I said, we gotta post our content. There's no point, like I have like 8 memory cards sitting right beside me full of content, and I'm not talking about 32 gigabyte memory cards. Like, I'm talking about 128, 256 gigabyte memory cards that have all this footage that I'm going to post. So get ready, make sure that you're subscribed to my channel, because we have videos and content for days. And I hate that I didn't get me actually styling this unit. Right now it's just like a quick little install. I do love closure units because I cut this video down to 3 minutes, but honestly this footage was only 10 minutes long. That's how quick it is to install a closure unit. If anybody was wondering, like, oh, should I do closure or frontal? Closures are always easier, especially if you are a beginner. And then I just added some oil sheen to give it some more shine and to kind of give that wet look, even though it's not wet, to bring out more of that wavy texture. But that is all for this video. I hope you all liked it. If you like this hair, let me know. You could probably just leave a comment, but also message me on Instagram. I'll leave my name right here, and then we can set you up to purchase hair. My hair is not expensive at all, like, cause girl, I don't want to be buying a whole bunch of expensive hair, so I don't sell my hair for that much. But if you are interested, just let me know. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to subscribe. Have a great day.
And I hope that you don't think that I forgot about you. And I'm sorry for the times I said it's not about you, cause it's all about you. And tell your friend, pick up the phone, I keep on calling about you.